Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 7.2 problems. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends.
Ninth question. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A of -2, 2 and B of 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. To understand this problem, first let us draw the line segment. So let's solve this problem. Solution. This is the line segment. Line segment A and B. In the question, they have given the coordinates of point A and B. The coordinates of point A are -2, 2. -2, 2. And the coordinates of point B are 2, 8. In the question, they have given we have to divide this line segment into 4 equal parts. Okay. So, this is the first part. This is the second part. And this is the third part. So, first let us name the coordinates as P, Q and R. Here, this line segment AB is divided into 4 equal parts. AP is the first part, PQ is the second part, QR is the third part and RB is the fourth part. Here, all these 4 parts are equal. That is, if AP is equal to 1 centimeter, then PQ must also be equal to 1, QR must also be equal to 1 and this RB must also be equal to 1 centimeter. This is the given data. So first, let us find out the coordinates of the point P. To find P, here P divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 1:3. That is, we have to add all these 3 parts together. Okay, that is, this point P divides the line segment AB into 2 parts, AP and PB. That is in the ratio 1:3. Here, the point P divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 1:3. Now we can easily find out the coordinates of point P by using section formula. So section formula is given by P is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Here x1 y1 is, this is x1 y1, that is minus 2 comma 2, and x2 y2 is, this is x2 y2, that is 2 comma 8, 2 comma 8. Next m1 is given by 1 and m2 is given by 3. Now let us substitute all these values in the section formula. That is P is equal to m1 x2, the value of m1 is 1 and the value of x2 is 2, plus m2 x1, the value of m2 is 3 and the value of x1 is minus 2, divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 3, comma m1 y2, the value of m1 is 1 and the value of y2 is 8, plus m2 y1, the value of m2 is 3 and the value of y1 is 2, divided by m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 3. That is P is equal to 1 into 2 is 2, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6, divided by 1 plus 3 is 4, comma 1 into 8 is 8, plus 3 into 2 is 6, divided by 1 plus 3 is 4. This implies P is equal to minus 6 plus 2 gives minus 4, divided by 4, comma 8 plus 6 is gives 14, divided by 4. That is, here 4 get cancelled, and when we divide 14 by 4 we get 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. That is, the coordinate of point P is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. This is the coordinate of point P, minus 1 comma 7 by 2, minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Now let us calculate the coordinates of point Q. Here this point Q is the midpoint of the line segment AB. So to find out the coordinates of point Q, we have to use the midpoint formula. Okay. To find Q, here the point Q is the midpoint of AB. So let us write the midpoint formula to find out the coordinates of point Q. The midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint formula. here x1 comma y1 is, this is x1 comma y1, that is minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, and x2 comma y2 is given by this is x2 comma y2, that is 2 comma 8, x2 comma y2 is 2 comma 8. Now let us substitute the values in the midpoint formula. So q is equal to x1 plus x2 is nothing but minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2, comma, the value of y1 is 2 plus the value of y2 is 8 divided by 2, that is q is equal to, here plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled and the answer is 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. Next, adding 2 and 8 we get 10 by 2. When we divide 10 by 2 we get 2 ones are 2 5s are, that is the coordinates of point Q is 0 comma 5. This is the coordinate of point Q, that is 0 comma 5. Zero comma 5. Next, let us find out the coordinates of the point R. Here, this point R divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 3:1. That is, we have to add all these three parts together. Okay. To find R, here the point R divides the line segment AB, divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 3:1. Next, to find the coordinates of point R, we have to use the section formula. So let us write the section formula. R is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Here x1 comma y1 is, here x1 comma y1 is minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2, and x2 comma y2 is, this is x2 comma y2, that is 2 comma 8. 2, 8, and m1 is 3, m2 is 1. Now let us substitute all these values in the section formula. So R is equal to m1 x2. The value of m1 is 3 and the value of x2 is 2, plus m2 x1. The value of m2 is 1 and the value of x1 is minus 2, divided by m1 plus m2. The value of m1 is 3 plus the value of m2 is 1. Next, m1 y2. The value of m1 is 3 and the value of y2 is 8, plus m2 y1. The value of m2 is 1 and the value of y1 is 2, divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1. That is R is equal to 3 into 2 is 6, plus into minus, minus 1 into 2 is 2, divided by 3 plus 1, 4, comma 8 3 is a 24, plus 1 into 2 is 2, divided by 3 plus 1, 4. That is R is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4, divided by 4, comma 24 plus 2 is 26, divided by 4. Here 4 get cancelled and the answer is 1. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, that is 13 by 2. Thus the coordinates of point R is 1, 13 by 2. 13 by 2. This is the coordinate of point R. 1, 13 by 2. One comma 13 by 2. Now let us write the conclusion. Hence, the coordinates of the point coordinates of the points which divides the line segment AB into 4 equal parts are P of minus 1 comma 7 by 2, P of minus 1 comma 7 by 2, Q of 0 comma 5 and R of 1 comma 13 by 2. This is the final answer.